I start this look with Chilly Willy, a matte bone shade, and I apply it all over the eye as a base to create a clean canvas. I then apply my favorite color, a shimmery golden copper, over the lid. I really like to pat the color into the lid. I feel like it helps deposit the color onto the skin, and then I blend into the crease. Next, I take Punch Drunk, a shimmery wine shade, and I blend it into the crease against the top lashes, and I bring it under the bottom lash line. I go back again with Punch Drunk, this time intensifying the shade with a bit of sealer, and I deepen the top lash line, blending into the outer V and into the crease. To darken the lash line further, I layer the liner with Black Count, the blackest black shade, along the top lashes. I apply Punch Drunk on top and smudge it out. It's so important to blend so the eyes look like a beautiful wash of color with no harsh lines. I pop the lid with my favorite color and add a touch to the brow bone as well. I then apply my favorite color as an inner corner highlight. My favorite color is a golden shimmery copper. It's so beautiful on darker skin tones, so I love highlighting with this color, and I also bring it under the lash line towards the center of the eye. I use Punch Drunk to smoke out the outer corners once again, and I finish the look with a dark berry lip. This is what I call my favorite combo look.